Welcome to the next installment of Math on the Move. Math is everywhere. Take a look at these pictures and consider which of the following children are doing math. When we typically think of doing mathematics with our children, we might imagine some homework brought home, a series of questions that we need to work on, and bringing this work back to school for a teacher to check and review. Mathematics, however, does not just exist in a textbook. The math students are learning about in the classroom exists everywhere in the world. We use math every day. Think about the mathematics in these images. Do you see the math? When you are using math, think about including your children as well. Imagine going to a grocery store.
Can you please go get 10 apples? How many apples did you get?
10.
We could also spend time with our children reading stories with numbers and engaging them with counting activities. Here is an example of a story with numbers from the website Greg Tang Math. This story is called The Grapes of Math. I stroll along a vineyard path, and there I see the grapes of math. Overhead the sun is blazing, soon each grape will be a raisin. How many grapes are on the vine? Counting each takes too much time. Never fear, I have a hunch, there is a match for every bunch. Now, let's see how, through the work we do at home, we have an opportunity to include our children in mathematical thinking.
So Michael, do you think we have enough fertilizer for our lawn?
Many resources exist at your child's school, the public library, or online by simply searching math stories in Google. Math is everywhere. When our children want to buy something, how much math do they need to know? Think about how much math a student would use in order to decide whether or not they can afford a video game. Consider these questions. If I gave you $5 for every job you do, how many jobs will you need to complete before you can buy this video game? How much money do you have saved up so far? How much more will you need to buy this game? How could you calculate how much this game will cost, with taxes included, to find out how much money you will need? Math is more than just a series of calculations and numbers that we use in school. Math is everywhere. You can find it in your everyday activities, whether it's in the shapes we see, the things we measure, the numbers we work with, the data we see displayed, or patterns that appear. You always have an opportunity to talk about math with your child. Together with your child, you can engage in conversations that can show how we use mathematics in everything we do. Thanks for watching.